everybody. So this video is going to be on what you see right here. Not the eye look, but it is going to be the skin. So if you want to see how I did this, just please keep on watching and I'll take you step by step. Thank you. Hi. So the first thing that we are going to do is prime the skin. So I'm using MAC Strobe just to go ahead and put some dots all over the face. And I'm going to be using my blending sponge and just blending that all throughout my skin. Kind of gives it I like it because it smells really good, and it kind of has like a little bit of a shimmer to it. So I like it. So I blend that out through the whole face. Now we're going to use CoverGirl 3-in-1. The color is in Buff Beige, and I'm going to be going ahead and just putting that on my skin directly from the bottle. And we're also going to be using that exact same sponge and just blending this all over, covering up everything because I love me some coverage, and this has a lot of coverage. So we're just going to blend all of that out. Okay, so now that that's done, the next thing that we're going to do is conceal. So I do use my Tarte Shape. It is in the color, I believe, Fair, and I use it to hide my dark circles under my eyes, and I also use this to brighten up the center of my face. So I put some dots and then I drag them down. So we're gonna almost like a upside down triangle. Then I also put it on my chin, down the center of my nose, and in the center of my forehead. That way we can bring the light to the center of our face. And then once all that's done and looking crazy as crazy, we're just gonna go ahead using that same sponge, and I'm gonna blend everything out exact same way we did the foundation. Okay, so now we're done blending. We're gonna go ahead and use this translucent powder from Airspun. I absolutely love it. It smells good to me. Some people say it smells like a oldest type of perfume, but I really like it. It sets beautifully. It makes my skin look so soft and kind of, just looks really smooth. So I love it. So everywhere I put the concealer, that is where I'm putting the powder at. So up the nose, chin, under eyes, center of the forehead. You can put it where you're oily, just basically anywhere. So now we're going to contour using Hoola from Benefit Cosmetics. We're going to do it in the hollows of our cheeks. So we're doing this on both sides of our face and just blend it upwards, going on the side of the face. Blend upwards, don't go down. Now we're going to take the same color and we're going to just do it along the top of our forehead and also blend that out so that the attention is in the center of your face and also along your jawline. Give that illusion of a sharp jawline. Now I put a little bit under my bottom lip, kind of gives the illusion that it's more pouty, and then on the sides of the nose kind of makes it more narrow, and we're just putting that there, and then at the tip. Then just blend that down the sides. Now if you're wondering why I know I still have powder under my eyes, so what I'm doing is, it's called baking. So I'm just leaving that powder on there longer to go ahead and set that concealer into place so that nothing moves. Now what I'm doing with that exact same setting powder we used before to set the concealer, I am cleaning up the contouring line on the sides of my face, on the sides of my nose, sorry. And then also on the sides of my cheekbones, just to make that line a little bit more sharp and kind of clean up whatever fell below my cheekbone line, just so that it looks more precise. So once we're done doing that part, I'm going to go ahead and get looking for something. I'm looking, and I got it. so with my mascara, we're gonna go ahead and apply this to the lower lash line. I believe that's what I'm doing. Yep. So just don't forget to coat those lower lashes. They are important. Don't forget about those, guys. I'm gonna do the same thing to both eyes. Now we're gonna get our stippling brush, and I'm just gonna dust off all the powder that I have left on my face that I put under my cheekbones, on my nose, and also under my eyes. Take all that off, and then we're gonna use that same brush, and I'm just gonna go over everything again just to make sure everything is blended out. And I don't want any sharp lines. I want everything to look very smooth, nothing harsh, very soft. That's all blended out now, so everything looks very seamless and very smooth. We're gonna go ahead and now we're gonna highlight. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the Amrizi highlight. It is beautiful, and I'm using my Morphe brush. It is a fan brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that and see how beautiful it is. Oh my god. And apply that on the top of my cheekbones. This is to attract the light to your face and give it that nice little bit of a glow so it catches the light when you move. So pretty, so pretty. I also use this as an eyeshadow. I've used it. It's just so beautiful. I love it so much. Totally worth it. Gotta get it. So once it's applied to your cheekbones at the desired amount that you want, I also apply it to anywhere that the light would catch your face. So above your eyebrows, on the tip of your chin, and also I'm going to be applying this on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. However much you want. I don't suggest putting too much on your nose because you don't want it to be like so much. But as you can see, it starts to catch the light. And also I'm putting it on my Cupid's bow. Just catch more light right there as well. So now I'm gonna do lips. I have to go get the lipstick, so I'll be right back and you'll see the finished product. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and you like how it finished. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Subscribe, and thank you again for watching.